The brand identity design for Polo Prive reflects the brand's commitment to masculinity, sophistication, and timeless elegance. The design features sleek, bold elements that capture the essence of the modern gentleman, with a focus on precision and luxury. The logo, typography, and color palette were chosen to convey strength and refinement, aligning with the brand's high standards of craftsmanship. Every aspect of the identity underscores Polo Prive's mission to provide functional yet stylish timepieces, creating a powerful and lasting impression that appeals to confident, successful men. Here are the branding designs, which are currently in progress and include placeholder text for demonstration purposes. We will incorporate all necessary information and adjustments based on the client's specific requirements to ensure the designs align perfectly with their vision. Once all details are finalized, the demo text will be replaced, and the branding materials will be tailored to meet the client's needs and expectations.